Hello, my all lovely and dear students. So, again, here we are with the next lecture of your favorite subject, that is environmental science, and this is the second chapter of your textbook. The name of this chapter is CHARMER'S story, and this is the third lecture. And as you know that in the last two lectures, I have explained you that is what are the snake charmers, what are the lifestyles of the snake charmers, community of the snake charmers, and different other activities performed by the snake charmers. So here, let's see what new we are going to know. We will know today the very interesting facts regarding snakes. So first we know that snakes and its types, then poisonous and non-poisonous snakes. Student, we will know that what is a poisonous snake and what is non-poisonous snake. Then after we know that what do snakes eat, and then snakes are the friends of farmer, or you can say that we should not kill the snakes because they are friends for us. Okay, at the last we'll do some book exercises from this chapter. Today we'll try to complete this complete chapter. And so let's start to study about the snake. Student, so here is a picture, you can say that, and this picture is showing the large varieties of snake. You can say that in this picture different types of the snakes are given here. You can see the color of the snakes are also varying, the shape and size of the snakes are also varying. So we can say that how many types of snakes are there. Basically, on the basis of their habitat, on the basis of their characters, we can classify the snake, that snake living in water, snake living on the branches of the tree, snake living on the land, poisonous snake and non-poisonous snakes. Students, you will be surprised to know that some snakes always live inside the water, okay, and some snakes lives on the branches of the tree even. Some snakes are poisonous, some snakes are non-poisonous. You will be also surprised that there are some kinds of snakes which can fly into the sky. Okay, their weight are not much higher and they can fly. They cannot fly all the time. They can just take a jump into the sky. So we can say that they are the flying snake. Okay. So here we are going to study about the poisonous snake and non-poisonous snake. Some snakes have poisons and they are called as poisonous snake. If they bite to anyone, they can be kill them. It can be kill them. Okay. So poisonous snakes are the snake which have poisons, and non-poisonous snakes are the snake which do not have poison. Student, I just want to introduce that all the snakes are not poisonous. Some are non-poisonous also. So all the snakes are not harmful for us. We can say that most of the snakes are not harmful to us if we will not do any kind of misbehaving with them. Next thing is that what do snakes eat? As you feel hungry, you eat the different types of the foods which you like pizza, burger, idli, dosa, sometimes rice, potato, chapatis and all. So have you thought ever that what do snakes eat? In this diagram, there is some pictures which is showing that what do snakes eat. Are you able to see that what is this? This is mouse. Alright, snake eats mouse also, and snake ate fishes, birds and some other animals like frog. Do you know that some kinds of snakes are also a thief? They can steal the eggs of the different birds and they eat them. Alright? So, you live in your house. Other animals, mother animals are also living in their houses. Some living into the forest, some living into the water. So where do snake live? Snake live into their home, and their home is always cool places. Means they love cold and cool places. Snakes also live on the branches of the tree. Snakes live into the trees and they live into the ants hills. Okay, the ant hill which they make the hills, they live into that also. They live into the rock holes, and the snake charmers keep them into the bamboo basket. You have seen into your colonies, or often when snake charmers come to show the snake dance, they always keep the snake into the bamboo basket. Why do we call snake as a friend? What is the reason behind that? Snakes are called as the friends of farmer, because snakes are also helping us by destroying rats from our paddy fields. You know that there are the rats or some other kinds of insects which harm our paddy or farmers' paddy or their crops, you can say that. So snake eat these kinds of rats or harmful insects and keep the crops protected by them. That's why they are called as friends of farmers. And students, we should not kill them because they are friends of farmer. Okay, now come to some kinds of book exercises which is given in your book. Student, this is the book exercise which is given in your book, and it is saying that imagine that you are an animal in the cage. Think how would you feel? Complete the following sentences. Student, you have to just suppose that you are an animal. You may be a lion, you may be a monkey, or you may be an elephant. Whatever you can imagine. But the thing is that when you are in cage, you always afraid when. When you afraid? When your master starts to beat you. Okay? Without any mistakes. If you will be in the case, just what will you think? What will be your wish? Your wish will be that you will become free and you can move into your forest. That is your home place. Okay? So I wish I will become free and I will move into my forest. I am sad when. When will you get sad? When you are in case. When you are in case, you are not getting the food into the proper amount, or your master starts to beat you without any mistakes. So you will become sad. If I had a chance, I would escape from this place. Who wants to live into the case? Nobody wants to live into the case. So if you will get a chance, you will just escape the case. I do not like at all when. What do you not like? When people, those who are coming to see you into the case, you don't like to see them, or if they start to tease you, or if they throw some kinds of the stones or pebbles on you, so you don't like to them. Okay, any kinds of noise or shout, these things also you don't like. So you can feel, you can just imagine, and you can do it, you can write it by yourself. The next book exercise is here. Like the snake charmers, which other peoples depend on the animals from livelihood? Students, milkman is also depending on cow or buffalo for the milk. Madaris, those who play the dance of monkeys, they are also depending on the monkeys for their livelihood. Shepherds, you can say that. Fishermen, okay, poultry farmers, they all these kinds of the people who depend on the different animals for their livelihood. Here there is a survey is given here. You have to just complete this survey. Talk to some people in your neighborhood who keep one or more animals for their livelihood. For example, a horse for a tanga, or a hen for a dog, etc. Okay, so go nearby your surroundings and meet these kinds of people, those who just keep the animals at their home as a pet animal, and for they are just keeping it for their livelihood. You have to ask the name of the animals they keep and how many animals are there. You have to write their numbers, and there are separate place for, is there any separate place for the animals? Student, basically they keep the different animals into the different places. They can't keep cow and hen along together. Okay, so if a man is having cow and hen, it keeps the cow in separate place and hang it at the separate place. So when you go for this kind of survey, just meet these kinds of people and try to know the answer of these questions which is given here. So student, this is all about the chapter 2 of your environmental science, that is next Chalmers story. We have completed the lectures. I have given you the question answers also. I have given you homework also. So hope you are doing well nowadays and you are learning all the things very well. Next video we will start the next chapter of your same subject. Till then, learn all the things. Try